Hey guys, bringing you another video today. This is the Snake Eye Tactical Karambit style knife. And here's the box it comes in, nothing crazy. The whole knife is 9 inches long, open. You have a 3.85 inch blade, and then you have a aluminum handle. The blade is also steel. So give you a good look at this, guys. This color is blue. They got a bunch of others, red, black and brown. They got rainbow, a few others. You can check them all out. They all look pretty cool. I thought the blue looked pretty sharp. So it's got a curved style, karambit style blade. You got your, of course, your inner lock, your clip if you want to clip it, and then you have your spring assist style opening. You got your finger hole, classic style karambit. Comes in razor sharp, which is just the way I like it. That's how blades should be. That's why we have knives, so they're sharp. Feels good. Quality's nice. If you like collecting knives, guys, I recommend you check this one out. I'll have the link in my description if you'd like to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more videos in the future. Thanks, guys.